Good morning. Shout out to all nation. God bless you and good morning. This is the another more videos. I will downloading today to my YouTube channels. You can look and how to comment and don't forget to subscribe to my vlog video today. This is the flowers, the orchids. Walling and their flowers like a plastic. Shout out to all nation. Welcome to my YouTube channels. The name vlog person. RDR 2024. There in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental. There are so many videos. I'm downloading this morning in my YouTube channels. The orchids, the flowers of like a plastic. Any kind of flowers. You can watch my YouTube channels. Shout out to all USA, China, Poland, Inglaterra, New Zealand, and all nation, Saudi Arabia, Syria, Australia, New Zealand. Ito po ang tinatamingan ng mga flowers. Chiricas. Like a bimbo flowers. Good morning, I love you, and good morning, thank you for watching my YouTube channels. God bless you, today is Friday. The guava, some banana, the coconut tree plant, the like the flowers, the medicine flowers. Apple mango, tigre, rambutan, ginger, luya, the small guava, the small banana, and the big bananas, balangon. The rambutan, the coconut plant, we have fully of fruits. The bananas, the jackfruits, the jackfruit plants, we have so many fruits. You can look as very beautiful and so many fruits around the side by side. There are so many fruits covered. you can watch my niyog or coconut. Thank you guys. Good morning and God bless you.